This is a security message. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sorted.
Okay then guys, this is Alex Trade Spotter HD and welcome back to another new video. And today I'm at Taunton on this Saturday afternoon, and as you may well know, the situation back home in Exeter is a bit different on the weekends. Basically because the line in between Exeter and Plymouth is closed, so kind of got no choice but to come up here quite often during the month of February, during the weekends at least. Obviously when the February half term comes up, which is on the week of the 21st of February, that'll be a different story. The line will be open back home, so I will make more videos back home during the half-term week. Yeah, we know that, thank you. Anyway, so yeah, that's the situation. So I thought I'd come today to talk to make a video here. So in this video you'll be seeing services from Great Western Railway and Crosscountry. Should be made for a good video, should see some nice little variety. As you just saw go out there a minute ago, was a cross-country service from Exeter St David's going to York, Dover, 220-004 at the front with the 221-133 at the back. So yeah, weather-wise here at Taunton, it's not a bad one at the moment. It's not the best, but it's not bad at the same time. It's dry at the moment. We got some rather bad weather coming tomorrow, so I doubt I'll be out tomorrow. So I'm just making the most of today. So yeah, that's the situation, guys. We have a castle set over on the platform 3. That'll be doing a service to Cardiff Central. So we'll see that go out. So yeah, that's the state of play for today's video, guys. So as always, sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Okay then guys, we're back in the video here at Taunton, and well, you won't see it, but there is a cross-country service coming in. We'll be going to Exeter St David's, and this castle set here on platform 3 will be going to Cardiff Central shortly. Yeah, apologies on my voice, guys. I'm currently recovering from a sore throat and cold that I caught a week ago. Slowly start to recover now, thank God. Not the best thing to catch, a cold and sore throat. So yeah, there is a like I said, guys, there is a cross-country service on platform 2. I think that one's come from York. So yeah, we will see that go out very, very shortly. So we'll see that. Yeah, see that very shortly. Okay then guys, we're back in the video here at Taunton. I'm about to go out now, anytime now. Should be that cross-country service to Exeter St David's. I believe that one will be from York. I know most cross-country services are coming from York to Exeter St David's. Like I said at the start of the video, guys, for the next few weekends at least, videos will be different at different locations, which is a good thing, because I know most of you wanted me to go to different locations anyway. So yeah, Like I said, when it comes to half term, I will be staying local back down at Exeter and stations along the river area line I can get to again. It's 220.029. As you can see down in the far distance, there's a freight coming out of the depot. Freightliner, class 66. I'm trying to think what that one is going to be for. I don't know if it's for back down near Exeter, I don't know. But if I zoom down there, guys, there you go. I think you could just about see the freight coming out of the sidings. It has to come out when it comes up the line, and it probably will go back into the line, into the depot from there. Now I'm assuming, I don't know if there's another locomotive at the back, I would have thought so. So a nice little unexpected little freight cheekily coming out of the depot for a little cheeky run. Oh, he is coming out of the depot, isn't he? He's coming right up. Well, there's a nice unexpected bonus. I'm going to keep the camera rolling because it's actually still moving up the line, as you can see. I think it would stop any time now, and like I said, it should probably go back into the depot. I don't know if there's a scheduled freight that is meant to actually run through Taunton today. I think there was one run due to run through around about 6 o'clock. Whether I'll be here at that time, I don't know. But there she is. And here's the Great Railway Service car essential, which should be probably about to leave actually. Yes, it is. So we'll keep the camera rolling. What I might do, guys, is obviously I'll record a few trains now, and I'll come back later on at Taunton to record some more. That's what I'll probably end up doing. I'll try and make this video quite as long as possible. The time gap in between each train is it's not too bad. Sometimes it is lengthy, but not too bad at the same time. So yeah. Love the sound of a castle set, I always do. Never gets old. There she goes. Okay, so we'll be back in a couple more minutes with, yep, you guessed it, didn't you guys? Some more trains. And there's a flock of birds going over me. What are they? Looks like pigeons. Lovely. Okay then, guys, we're back in the video. I thought I'd come up the platform here right to the end and give you a bit more of a closer shot there. There you go, there's the Freightliner. Not sure what the number is from here. Yeah, but there she is anyway. A nice little bonus there of a freight coming out of the depot. I think that does happen quite often, but obviously I haven't recorded down here for a while, so yeah, there she goes. Well, not there she goes, there she is, I should say. Okay then, guys, we are back in the video here at Taunton, and coming in now is a Great Western Railway service from Exeter St David's going to London Taunton. Going to be seeing two IETs now, this one and one from London Taunton going to Exeter St David's. And after these IETs go out, there'll be a nice surprise of a cross-country HST from Exeter St David's going to York, I believe. It's 802.103, rather squeaky as well. There she is. Do I keep the camera rolling for the other IET? I think I will actually. We'll go up here. So yeah, like I said, we'll see a cross-country HST. Should be a nice surprise. There's the other IET now coming in. Both of these are on time. It is 802.101, room 101. As this one for London Party comes in, and this one is actually now going out to London Taunton. So we'll keep the camera rolling. There we go. Starting to get a bit grey here at Taunton. Feel like it might rain. Anyway guys, we're back in a couple more minutes with some more trains. Okay then guys, coming in now will be terminating Great Western Railway service from Cardiff Central. And we'll see a cross-country HST come in now shortly as well. 43016 at the front, the Powderham Castle name. (43.192) is at the back. The Tremanton Castle name. Is that how you say it? Probably is not how you say it, but yeah, that's that one. There should be a cross-country HST coming in shortly as well. So I keep the camera rolling. Looks like he wants to come in yet, so I'll come back in a few seconds. Okay guys, well this one is actually running a bit late now. This is a cross-country HST now coming in finally. Yeah, left St David's about 1 or 2 minutes late, but there we go. Nice to see them out again. Of course they were out of service for a while, but they seem to be out on to service now, mainly every day now. (43.301) is at the front. We'll keep the camera rolling for this because this one is running a little bit late. It's looking quite nice and clean at the front there. So a nice wash. So I hope you be enjoying this video here at Taunton. Nice little variety You mainly only see the longer trains here at Taunton, of course, the IETs, the Voyagers and your HSTs. You very rarely see any smaller trains. So, yeah. This one will be late now, leaving. I think it's about 2 or 3 minutes late at the moment, so it'll be probably by the time it leaves now, it'll be probably about 4 or 5 minutes late. And this one is, I don't know if this one's going to York, I'm not sure. Doesn't look like it's on the move yet, so we'll come back in a few seconds, guys. Okay, I think this cross-country service will finally is allowed to depart. Bit of a delay here as well. Don't know why there's been delays here. Slow passengers getting on or whatever, something like that probably. Looks like this cross-country HST has had a nice wash. Looks like it's 43 321 at the back, looking rather nice as well. Looks like it's had a nice touch up with paint or something, so yeah, that's very nice. There she goes, running late now. Okay, well there'd be one more I want to get on camera before ending the video here at Taunton. It'd be a Great Western Railway service to London Paddington, I believe, so we'll come back shortly with that train. Okay guys, coming in now will be a Great Western Railway service to London Paddington from Exeter St David's. This is also another 9-coach IET. This will be the last train of the video as well. (800-307). This one is on time. Well, as you can see, it's next stop on that service is Westbury. Well, no, it's not Westbury, it's Castle Carey. There we go. That's better. So yeah, Castle Carey, Westbury, is it calling it Newbury as well? I don't know. I think it said Newbury. Reading, London, Paddington. So we'll keep the camera rolling for this, I would say. Hope you enjoyed this video here at Taunton. Like I said, guys, nice little variety. Can't fault it. Now you see the longer trains here, the IETs, Voyagers and Castle sets. Those are the main trains you do see here at Taunton. You do see smaller trains here, but it's not all the time. But yeah, Taunton's always a nice station to actually record at as well, really, because you know you get a nice variety. Obviously, St David's is a bit more better because we get the added advantage of the South Western Railway trains and that. So yeah, but Taunton still is a nice station. You may get to see the odd freight that does come through there, like that freight that came out of the depot there right down there. I think this train is about ready to depart, so I will shut up and let you see this train go out. there she goes. So as she goes out, I am going to leave it here at Taunton on this Saturday afternoon. Hope you enjoyed the selection of trains, guys, from the castle sets to the Voyagers and to that Crosscountry HST we saw as well. So overall, a very nice selection of trains. My next video now probably won't be until next weekend. Tomorrow's weather is looking really dire, so I doubt I'll be out tomorrow. So thanks for the continued support as always, guys. Don't forget to leave a big fat like, and until next time, from me here at quite a chilly and breezy Taunton, I'll just see you all soon, guys. Take care.